each major style variant has mini. Like you see that Samira bead, Samira beaded logo. You can have the mini, the midi, and the maxi inside Samira beaded logo, and then inside Samira marble, Samira marble, you can also have that midi, and the rest you get. But in this Uyoyo now, they I don't think they have. Do you? If you don't have any other major variant style, don't add anything here. You can leave this one empty. Leave this one empty. The midi, and maxi should always be here inside these variants. Inside this variant, so you create new custom option. Then let's call it. Always call it style option. Style options. Then the first value should be mini. Second value midi. Third one maxi. So anytime you see this product cannot have up to 100 variant, more than 100 variants, just okay it, and then you can remove some color. You can remove some color here. Yeah, always reduce the number of colors. So if they have any color that is not there in the options, they can contact us. There's a space for them to input their preferred color. You can just leave like, okay, yeah, the sizes are 5 of them. Leave it like that. Then let's remove green, and let's remove. Once this disappears, you can continue what you're doing. So now it's gone. So you have enough variants already. So yeah, inside, the reason why we are doing this here is because this mini, midi, maxi, they all have their different prices. So it has to be up here so that you can calculate the prices and give them different price, so that you can give them different prices. So then when you group them, you can now create the price for the mini. Let's say all the minis are 120k, then the midis the same 120k, but the maxi, let's say 130. You can make the corrections later. Then if you want to put the available on hand quantity, you have to go in here and then put the available quantity in small pink, extra small pink. We need to reorder it like this so it makes more sense. So all the extra smalls in their colors, in their different colors, you put the available quantities that you have. So after that, so like you see here now should just be empty. So unless you have what's it called, if you now have if it later in the future you now have this midi maxi in different styles. Do you get? Let's say Uyoyo now has a beaded one, and Uyoyo also has maybe a different category of the pattern in that same item. Then you can now come here and tag this one either plain or beaded, and then create another product and tag it whatever it is, and then inside that new product now you can also still add this maybe in each of them. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, just call me and ask questions instead of doing it wrongly and then it will appear wrongly on the website and people will be confused. Always call me and ask questions.